वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Can repeat अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवुण् ऋलक् एओङ् ऐऔच् हयवरट् लण् ञमाङणम् जभै घडदश् जबगडदश् खफचठथ चटतौ कपै यशसर् हल्। I hope all of you must be knowing Nageshwara Sutra by heart now. Then the next one. Akuka Visarjaniyānām Kantaha.
Akuka Visarjaniyānām Kantaha.
Ichu Yashanām Talu. Ruturashanām Mūrdha. Rutulasanām Dantāha. Upadmanīyānām Oṣṭhau. ஞமாङणननां नासिका च एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु कण्ठतालु only, not कण्ठतालुः.
Sorry.
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्टम्
ओधौतो कण्ठवोष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
पकारस्य
दन्तौष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणि सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमोः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विगता निशाचरचमोः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
Yeah, you can repeat after me. Rama Shabda we didn't chant for a long time. Can do. Akarantaha pullingaha Rama Shabdaha.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
रामः रामौ रामाः
Ramam Ramo Raman.
रामं रामौ रामान्
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
Ramasya Ramayogo Ramanam.
रामस्य रामयोगो रामाणाम्
Rame Ramayogo Rameshu.
रामे रामयोगो रामेषु
He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha.
हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः
I hope all of you know Rama Shabda.
Yes.
Guruji.
This is Maheshwara Sutra and Rama Shabda. So we have seen many Shabdas. So every class one Shabda we can do. So that this week Rama Shabda. So if you don't know, in case by next week you please know this Rama Shabda. So that we can go one round of all the Shabdas, whatever we have seen. Every week one Shabda. So at the end of that, I will introduce new Shabda. So you have to be prepared for the new Shabda. Then last class, I introduced Sandhi. Sandhi I introduced for some reason, because many of you are there in the other Vedanta classes. So in Vedanta classes, Sandhi is important, like in Gita and all. So when I say some Sandhi rules, you can follow. That is why I introduced Sandhi. We are going to continue. It's a big topic, Sandhi. It's important and a big topic. So we will see that slowly. So one Sandhi I introduced, one type of Sandhi, within a type of Sandhi, one particular Sandhi, Dirgha Sandhi. We'll continue after this. We are going to see some exercises now. Let us refresh our Kriya Padam, the knowledge of Kriya Padam. Okay. So randomly, you can ask you can try. Let us do this first. You can repeat. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti.
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि भवावः भवामः
only that part the table below that is not required now. This what you see bhuvadi ganaha first conjugation. In Sanskritam there are about 2000 dhatus, verbal roots. 2000. All these verbal roots are grouped into 10 groups. The groups are called conjugation. You can call it as a group or conjugation, or you can use a Sanskrit word gana. Gana is group. So the first group is called bhuvadi gana. The first group. So each group is called by the name of the first dhatu in that group. So in the bhuvadi gana, the first dhatu is bhu dhatu. That is what you see in the screen. You can see the cursor. Bhu dhatuhu. The first dhatu of the first gana is bhu, and its declension in present tense. What tense? Present tense. In Sanskritam, I told you that we have got 6 tenses and 4 moods. So only present tense we are seeing, and we will be seeing present tense for a long time. By default, it will be present tense only till we enter into the other tenses. I will let you know when we enter into past tense, future tense and all. By default, it will be only present tense. The word for present tense is lat. It's not a technical name. You can know lat. What lat is? Lat is equal to vartamana kalaha. That is present tense. Technical name for present tense is lat. All these are Paninian technical terms. Paniniya Maharishi's technical terms. Instead of saying Vartamana Kala, it's a long word. Just you can say lat, simple. Make it short. Lat refers to Vartamana Kala. And Bhu is a dhatu. Bhu dhatu, Vartamana Kala. So declension will be Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti. Bhavati is Pratama Purushaha and Bhavati is Ekavachanam. So Pratama Purusha Ekavachana is Bhavati. And Bhavamaha is Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha Bhavavachana. Okay. So, you know what Pratama, Madhyama, and Uttama. Pratama is third person. Madhyama is second person. Uttama is first person. So, Bhavati, when you say Saha Bhavati or Sa Bhavati or Tat Bhavati, Bhavataha, Tau or Te, whatever, Tau Bhavataha, Te Bhavataha, or Napumsakalinga Te Bhavataha, Bhavanti, Te Bhavanti, Taha Bhavanti, or Tani Bhavanti. I'm using all the genders. Sakatau Te, Tate Taha, Tatate Tani. Corresponding Kriya Padam should be added. Bhavasi, when it comes, it's only Madhyama Purusha. Tvam Bhavasi, Yuvam Bhavataha, Yuyam Bhavata. So Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. We know that. We have seen. It is Madhyama Purusha. Only Pratama Vibhakti. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. And Uttama Purusha. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham Bhavami. Avam Bhavavaha. Vayam Bhavamaha. Okay. The same way, the list of dhatus we can show you here. Randomly, we can take some dhatu. We can do. Whether you have any difficulty in this, let us try. Padmaji, your name is there. I don't know whether you can do this. If you can do, you can do.
I'll try.
Okay.
What?
Patati.
Patati. To read. Patati. Oh, patati to fall. false. Patati, false.
Okay.
Pat, it's pat dhatu. Pat dhatu.
Yeah, you have to do like what I showed now. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. You have to decline.
Okay. Bhavati, bhavata. Patati, patataha, patanti.
Continue.
You want me to say all the forms, is it?
Yes.
Patati, patataha, patati, patataha, patanti. Patasi, patataha, patata. Patami, patavaha, patamaha.
Yes. Good. Manjula ji.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Jeev dhatu.
Yeah, Guruji. Jivati, jivataha, jivanti, jivasi,
Okay, hold on there.
jivataha.
Jivasi. You can add the Madhyama Purusha, Tvam, Yuvam, and you can add and tell.
Yeah, Guruji. Tvam bhavasi, jivasi, tvam jivasi, yuvam jivataha, yuyam jivata.
Continue. Uttama Purusha.
Yeah, Guruji. Aham jivami, avam jivavaha, aham avam vayam jivamaha.
That familiarity should come. That's why I'm asking you to. Akam means Jivami. Avam Jivavaha. Vayam Jivamaha. Vayam is Jivamaha always. Maha ending with Maha. Right? The next person, Bhuvaneshwari ji. Ni dhatu.
Ni. Guruji, what is the root for ni?
Ni is a root. What is
Ni
the
is
root
a-
for ni?
Okay.
Ni is a root.
Okay. Nayati. Patati, patataha, sorry, nayati, natataha, nayanti.
Why natataha?
Sorry, nayataha, sorry Guruji. Nayataha, nayanti. Tvam, nayasi, yuvam, nayataha, yuyam, nayata. Aham, nayami, avam, nayavaha, vayam, nayamaha.
Yes. Tanuja ji, you can do next one. Pa, to drink. Pibati, drinks. Tanuja ji, you can unmute your mic.
Pibati, pibataha, pibanti, pibasi, pibataha, pibata, pibami, pibhavaha, pivamaha. Tvam.
It's okay. Now I'll ask you to tell. You two drink. How do you say? You two of them. Okay, you two. The two. TW.
Yuvam pibataha.
Yuvam pibataha.
Yuvam pibataha.
They drink.
You.
No, listen. I said they drink.
Oh. They is tvam.
They is not tvam. It is not Madhyama Purusha. It is not you. It is not me.
Okay. That is saha, tau, te. Te pibati. Pibanti. Te pibanti.
Yes, te pibanti. Why day should be always only masculine? Why not feminine?
Taha pibanti.
Taha pibanti. Why feminine? Why not neutral gender?
Yeah, that is also.
Then
Phalam, phale, phalani. Pibanti. Tat, tau, te, tani pibanti.
Tani pibanti. This time takes, no? The time gap has to be reduced. That's by practice.
Okay.
Next person, Priyaji. The next one, Prach dhatu.
Prachati, prachataha.
No, you can do adding the noun. From the Prathama Purusha onwards, you can add noun. Any noun you can add, your choice. Masculine, feminine, or neuter.
ओके जी सः पृच्छति तौ पृच्छतः ते पृच्छन्ति त्वं पृच्छसि युवां पृच्छतः यूयं पृच्छत अहं पृच्छामि
Prichami.
आवां
Pricha. Okay. It's pricha.
पृच्छामि आवां पृच्छावः वयं पृच्छामः
Next person. Manjiri ji. Drish dhatu. Pashyati. You can unmute your mic, Manjiri ji. Okay. Next person then, Ram Kumar, you can do.
Yes, Guruji.
Manjiri ji is there. I think he's here. Okay, anyway. Please do, Ram Kumar ji.
Yes, Guruji. Pashyati, right, Guruji?
Yes.
Pashyati, pashyatah, pashyanti, pashyasi, pashyatha, pashyatah,
Pashyataha.
pashyatah, pashyatha, pashyami, pashyavah, pashyamah.
Yes. This already we have seen, I have shared also, I think this one. Bhavati Bhavatavan, the same way you have to do.
Yeah.
And you can see here the suffixes, what are added to the dhatu. Ti, taha, anti. So pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. Anti, that pashyanti, that sound is a pashyanti. Pashyasi, pashyataha, pashyata. In Uttama Purusha, it becomes pashyami, pashyavaha. It is not pashyami, pashyami, pashyava. It is a rule. When we learn further, you will understand why it is. Pashyami, pashyavaha, pashyamaha. Right?
Yes.
Now, you can just say, you all see. How do you say it? Ram Kumar ji.
Yes, Guruji.
You all see. You say it in Sanskritam.
Te pashyami.
Again? Say again.
Te pashyami. No.
Te pashyami. Te is Pratama Purusha. Pashyami is Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha.
Te is Bhagavachanam. Pashyami is Ekavachanam. Total mismatch.
Yes, Guruji.
You all see. You all of you see. That's the meaning. Okay. So how do you translate? But all of you is there. All of you is what Purusha? You have to take the Purusha first and then Vachana.
Yes, Guruji. Correct. You all see is what you meant, right, Guruji?
Yes.
Pashyami.
You is what Purusha?
You is Prathama Purusha, Guruji.
You is Pratama Purusha. What is Pratama Purusha then?
No.
So what is Pratama Purusha? What is first person in English? First person is I, right?
Yes.
I, we two, or we all.
Correct.
That is first person.
Yes.
And second person is you. That is second person. You two, you all.
Correct.
And third person is he, she, and Bhagavachanam, plural form. Pratama Purusha is third person in English.
Correct. I am.
Uttama Purusha is first person in English.
Yes.
Madhyama Purusha is second person. Now, you is what person?
You is third Uttama Purusha, Guruji.
You is Uttama Purusha.
Sorry, it is the first person.
You is not first person. You is not third person. Only one person is left out now. It is only you. It is only you and you. What is you now? I myself, only three are there, two are ruled out. What is the only one? It is such a difficult question. You is Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha, yes, correct.
You is addressing to the person right in front of me, right? So he is a middleman, middle person, second person.
Yes, Guruji.
I, the speaker, the first person in English. You, the listener, second person. And somebody who is not near us, somewhere else, is a third person. And Prathama Purushaha in Sanskritam is third person in English. This we saw in the very basic itself.
Yes, Guruji.
And Uttama Purusha is the first person in English, the talker, the speaker. Madhyama Purusha is to whom you are talking to, second person. So I said, you all see. So it is, you is the Madhyama Purusha. All of you see. What Vachanam is that? Singular, dual, or plural?
Plural.
Therefore, what Vachanam? What will the form? For the Dhatu, what I gave you. Pashyami.
Pashyami.
See, little bit of homework to be done. Every day at least 10 minutes.
Yes, Guruji.
Weekly only one class, right? So
Yeah.
10 minutes of homework is not a big thing. Just going through the recording itself is enough, more than enough. Going through recordings and taking some notes. So, you all see, Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Yuyam is Madhyama Purusha. Tvam is Madhyama Purusha, singular. Yuvam is Dvivachanam, dual. Yuyam is Bhagavachanam. So, you all I said. So, Yuyam.
Yuyam.
And Pashyasi, Pashyataha, Pashyata, you said, right?
Yes, yes.
So, you all see is Yuyam Pashyata, that is a translation.
Yuyam Pashyata. Yes.
Is it a difficult thing?
No, Guruji. It needs practice. That is the only thing.
Definitely needs practice in the beginning. Whatever effort you put in the beginning, that is going to help all the way.
Yes.
Okay. So, please do homework. A little bit of homework is required.
Definitely, Guruji.
Then the next one, next person, Kausalyaji. You
Yes,
can do
Guruji.
Sprish Dhatu.
Sprishati, Sprishatah, Sprishanti, Sprishasi, Sprishatah, Sprishatha, Sprishami, Sprishavaha, Sprishamaha.
V2 touch.
B2 is Avam, Pashyavaha.
Why Pashyamaha? There is Sprish is
Sorry,
there.
sorry, Sprishavaha. Sorry.
See, when first thing is when we identify the person, whether it is first Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, or Uttama Purusha, that is number one. First thing is. Then the Vachanam part. If it is Uttama Purusha, then Uttama Purusha Ekam Vachanam, then me will come. Whatever dhatu you take, me will come. If it is Kad, Kadami, Pach, Pachami, Pat, Patami, Vad, Vadami, Raksh, Rakshami, Sprish, Sprishami. Just closing your eyes, you can say Sprishami. Who is the doer? I, right?
I.
Akam Sprishami, Akam Kadami, Akam. All these are Samskrita Vakyas. You know Sanskritam. Akam Charami, Akam Jivami, Akam Namami, Akam Patami, Akam Kadami, Akam Bhavami, Akam Ratami. Now, same thing you're extending to Dvivachanam. With the Dvivachanam, Uttama Purusha Dvivachanam, Vaha will come. Kada Vaha. Who are the people eating? Avam. So there the number changes. Agam is I, Avam is V2. Avam Kadavaha, Avam Pachavaha, Patavaha, Pasavaha, Charavaha, Jivavaha, Namavaha. All Vaha means 2. Avam. Avam is understood. Me is there, Agam is understood. Vaha is there, Avam is understood. If it is Maha, Vayam.
Vayam.
Vayam Kadamaha.
Kadama.
Just closing your eyes, you can easily say this. That practice, me vaha maha, this is Uttama Purusha. Similarly, Madhyama Purusha, si taha tha, tvam kadasi, tvam pachasi, tvam patasi, tvam archasi, tvam kartayasi, tvam katayasi, tvam kujasi, all cc, tvam. If it is 2 people are the Madhyama Purusha, then yuvam. Then it becomes taha. You have to add taha to all the forms. Yuvam kadataha, yuvam, you too. Yuvam kadataha, yuvam pachataha, yuvam patataha. It's all simple. It means, so when I ask you to translate, first identify the person and then Purusha. Means you remember the Purusha, remember the Pratyaya. The Pratyaya is what is shown now. This is called the Pratyaya. Ti taha anti, si taha ta, mi vaha maha. If it is Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, it is me. Me. It is me only. Patami. If it is Bahuvachanam, then maha. Vivachanam vaha. Similarly, if it is Madhyama Purusha, it is si, you. Taha, you too. Tha, you all. Therefore, yuyam pashyata, yuyam kadata, yuyam sprishata. If it is somebody else, not you or not me, that is why I translated Prathama Purusha as neither you nor me. Neither you nor me means not the speaker and not the listener. Neither the Bhakta nor the Shrota. Somebody who is not near the vicinity, around us, somewhere else, is referred to ti taha anti, kadati patati, kadataha patataha, kadanti patanti. So, there only you can bring the gender. If it is Pullinga, then you can say Ramaha, Ramahu, Ramaha. Suppose if it is Strilinga, somebody with the name Rama, Rama, Rame, Ramaha. If it is Napumsakalinga, then Palam, Pale, Palani. Like that you have to bring in the Shabda and attach. This you have to practice it. This practice is very important now at this stage. Okay, if this practice is not there, then it becomes all the way difficult because we are going to expand this further and you see how it expands. It becomes more and more. Okay, then Rajeshwarji, you can do the next one.
Right.
Edge.
Yes, okay.
You can add the noun and you can say.
Saha tyajati, tau tyajataha, te tyajanti. Tvam tyajasi, yuvam tyajataha, yuyam tyajatha. Aham tyajami, avam tyajavaha, vayam tyajamaha.
Yes. Okay, let me ask before we proceed. Is this exercises should we do or because I can take for granted and move on to the new topics?
No, give it as a homework, Guruji.
Huh?
Give
Sorry?
it as a homework, this we will do.
Already I've given this as homework. What is
Yeah.
it?
No,
you have
that
to
is,
practice it.
yeah, that we have done. And again, this time we are doing it with first person, second person, third
Even
person also.
Before we have done this, no,
Yeah.
you want to do it in the class or you don't want to move to the new topic?
Do it in class.
We got in class, Guruji.
It's important, Guruji. We need revision.
Yeah, but you need to do revision also at your hand.
Yes, Guruji, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, because I don't know. When I repeat the same thing, you may feel boring also. Some people who know, we may feel boring. So, I mean, depending on the feedback only, I can.
No,
decide
Guruji,
whether
it
to-
is not boring, Guruji. It's interesting only. No problem. Everybody should become. What can I say? Everybody
don't
should
feel,
familiar with that.
I don't feel boring because I repeat the same thing.
Yeah,
I repeated this. So many Sanskritam class batches are there. This is one batch, so repeating the same thing. I don't feel boring. But
Okay. We also same, Guruji. No boring.
It
you
has
should
to
not
become, Sharanji, it has to become our second nature. Like without a blink, we should be able to tell right. I mean, as soon
that's
as.
homework should be done. In the class, we can do only to some extent, limited
Yes,
time,
yes.
only
No,
1
no,
hour.
that's what, when we do the homework, when you question us, we'll be able to do when we tell that. That's what, so it's not boring. I mean, if it's not too inconvenient for you, we can do it in the class. It all depends what you want to do. That's all I just have to say. That's all. Yes, we must do the homework. There's no doubt
I can
about
do
it.
it in the class. I can spend time on this. But only thing is, you will find that we are not moving forward. You should not find. We are moving, but slowly.
Thank
Okay.
you.
We can do it for some time, Guruji, and then we can definitely.
Yeah. Yes. But this we have seen this table itself. We have seen and we have done some exercises before. So sometimes I take it for granted. We know it and we move forward. So unless I get the feedback, so I don't know. So whether I should proceed or move forward. Anyway, so I will continue with this today. Then let us see Next class. Next class I may introduce some more Kriyapadam. Very good. Next person, Sundarji. You can take the dhatu, Arch dhatu. The form is given, Prathama Purusha. This is the first class, I think. You can try. Arch dhatu is given. Form is given, Archati. So you can try the other forms. Can you try?
Archataha. Yeah.
Yes.
Archati, Archataha, Archanti, Archasi, Archadaha.
Okay, I can show you the screen. You can remember the dhatu and you can, with that you can try. This is like this Bhavat, yeah.
Archadaha, Archatha.
Archataha, Archatha. It's Mahaprana.
Archataha, okay. Archataha, Archatha. Archami, Archavaha, Archamaha.
Okay. This Alpaprana, Mahaprana, Ucharanam of the class consonants is important. Archati, Archataha, Archanti, Archasi, Archataha, Archatha, Mahaprana. Okay.
Okay. Archataha, Archatha. Okay.
Yes.
I don't know the other one, like with the first person, second person, but I can learn and do it.
Yes. Tom Yuvam, I think you are saying that. Okay. We will see that. I have introduced only the Prathama Vibhakti.
Okay.
We will see that. We will chant. Maybe in the next class you will learn it. Okay. Next person, Lataji. Kru dhatu.
Krut dhatu.
Kru, it means to do. Karoti does. How do you do it? Karoti.
Sa karoti. Sa teta. Te. Kurutah.
Yes.
Te kurvanti.
Very good. Yeah.
Tvam karosi.
Karoshi.
Tvam karotah. Kurutah. Yuyam kurutha. Aham karomi. Avam kurvaha. Vayam kurmaha.
Good. So karoti is different, not like bhavati. Kru dhatu, not kriti, kritaha, krinti and all. Okay. So this is a different dhatu, important dhatu. That is why I have given this. We use it often. Kru is to do. All the karma involves action. So kru dhatu is very important. So kru means to do. So this dhatu belongs to 8th gana, 8th conjugation, 8th group. Depending on the conjugation, the declensions of the dhatu change. Please note that. What we saw, the bhu dhatu, first gana, bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti, simple. Then it's 8th conjugation. Suddenly we are jumping to 8. Why not 2nd, 3rd, 4th? There is no order. Okay, you can go. There is a method to deal with this. So if there is no order, 1, 2, 3, we need not go in that order. First gana, okay. After that, we can do other ganas which are simpler. So generally we do first gana, 4th gana, 6th gana, 10th gana. That is how we read. But why I have given this 8th gana is this dhatu is important. We frequently use this. So let us chant this dhatu. Please remember the forms. You need to memorize this. 9 forms. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
Note that it is she, not C. Even though in the pratyaya you will find C. Sitaha tha, Madhyama Purusha. But here, Karoshi, the Sakara becomes
She.
she.
Shakar.
What is that? This Sakara is C. This Sakara. What is its Uchcharana Sthanam?
Sa is dental.
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 Sa is dental.
Dental.
And what
Ha
about?
is Murdanya.
Murdanya.
That is what we chant every class. We chant
Ruturashana Murtha.
yes. Ruturashana, Murdha. And Lutulasana, Dantaha.
Dantaha.
So Karoshi. Here you have to note, it is not Karosi, becomes Karoshi. Why it becomes a knowledge is, we have to learn a lot of things to know that. We will see that later. So Karoshi, Kurutaha, Kuruta. Karomi, Kurvaha, Kurmaha. Aham Karomi, Avam Kurvaha, Vayam Kurmaha. Okay, only this, the table below is not required now.
Okay.
That we will see later. Okay, moving further. I think I can move forward. Have you seen this lesson, this translation?
No, Guruji.
Have you not started this?
No, we did it. We did it.
We started.
We half. We just started.
We started, right? I think we did.
Yes.
We started.
Okay, let me do it again. The next person. Raja, yes, you can do the translation. My elder sister cooks. Rajaji. You can unmute your mic. Rajaji, are you there? Okay. Shrutish, you can do.
Yes, Guruji.
So you need to know, you need to have some vocabulary. And the
Elder sister.
Kriya Padam also, if you don't know, I can help you by giving you the Dhatu. You can form the Kriya Padam. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. My first one, my elder sister cooks.
Okay, before you do
Mama.
Before you do it, yeah, that's what. Before you do it, how do you start the translation? First you have to understand the sentence.
Yeah, my means mama.
No, not like that. You should don't start from
Kriya
the first.
Padam. Kriya Padam.
Important,
Kriya
please note that.
Yeah, Guruji.
Always
Cooks.
Always Kriya Padam, you have to look for the Kriya Padam in the sentence.
Yes.
Now, let me say something. Please listen.
Okay, Guruji.
See, in the sentence, what is a sentence? What is a vacuum? A vacuum is that which has a verb, which has a kriya. There's a technical definition also. Ekating vakyam. A vacuum, a sentence is that which has a verb, an action. Action is denoted by the verb, right?
Yes, Guruji.
It's a complete. When you say cooks, cooks is a complete sentence. It is not incomplete. Cooks, yes. Referring to whom? Somebody cooks. Somebody singular. He cooks, she cooks, or it cooks, whatever may be, but cooks is a sentence. So, all the other words are connected to the kriya, right? So, asking questions to the kriya, you have to bring in the other words of the sentence. So, in a sentence, you cannot start from the very first word. No, not required. It should not be started. Otherwise, it becomes a problem. If you start from the first mama, then later you will see when you learn more and more words, the vibhaktis, it becomes a problem. Always you have to start from the kriya padam. Even if it is a simple sentence, start from the kriya padam. Cooks is there. Now, is it Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, or Uttama Purusha?
Cooks is Pradama.
Because somebody else, it is not you, it is not me, somebody.
Somebody else, third person.
Okay, it is Purusha is Prathama Purusha. Now, is it singular, dual, or plural?
Singular.
Ekavachana. So now you know. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Pach dhatu.
Pachati.
Pachati. First you identify Pachati. Now you ask question. Pachati.
Pachati.
Kaha Pachati. Who cooks? In Sanskritam you ask. Pachati.
Yeah. Kaha Pachati.
Kaha Pachati. Because you don't know the person. Therefore, kaha you are asking. But your sister is what gender?
Strilinga.
Therefore, how will you ask? Who cooks in Sanskritam?
Sa pachati.
No, I'm asking who cooks.
Who
Expecting
cooks?
the answer.
Ka. Question mark is ka.
Ka pachati.
Ka
Who cooks?
pachati. Yes.
You have to ask question and get answer. Cooks. Who cooks? You
Who
know
cooks?
here the sister cooks. Sister is Strilinga. Therefore, ka pachati.
Ka
Right?
pachati. Yes, Guruji.
Now, what is the word for sister?
Anuja.
What is
Elder
Anuja?
sister. Elder sister.
Okay, elder is there. Therefore, we know the word elder. Anuja. So, sorry, Agraja, not elder.
Sorry. Yeah,
Agraja.
elder. Sorry.
Anuja is
Agraja.
younger sister.
Younger sister.
What may be sister? That's fine. So,
Bagini.
Bagini is, that's what I was about to say. Okay, anyway. Elder sister, you said Agraja. Agraja pachati, right?
Pachati.
This is a sentence.
Yeah.
This is the sentence. Agraja pachati.
Pachati.
Now, who's
Here it's
Agraja?
my elder
You have to
sister.
ask who's Agraja cooks. My, right?
My, yes.
Okay, now let's see.
Mama.
Cooks is there. Who cooks? Who is the karta
My
of cooking?
sister.
Karta of cooking is sister. Now, whose sister? My sister.
My sister.
Now, let me ask you, is there any relationship between me and this cooking action? Yes or no?
No.
So, between me and the cooking action, there is no connection. Between me and the sister, there is a connection. That is why
Yes.
my, right?
Yes.
My sister. So, my is not connected to the cook. And therefore, to start the translation from my, is it appropriate?
No.
No. You have to start from cooks only. So you cannot start from my. So cook is pachati, agraja pachati. Then between
Mama.
agraja and me only there is connection. Therefore
Correct.
only you have to say mama.
Mama.
This sentence is simple. You can do the translation. Suppose if I give a long sentence, it becomes a very big problem.
Yeah.
So always start from the kriya padam. Again and again I am saying this is the biggest mistake generally students they do. And regarding the understanding of the vibhaktis also, they do mistake. That is why Sanskritam becomes difficult. They try to learn through the English prepositions and get into problem. So if you are referring any book, I would recommend don't do it now. After some time you do it.
Okay.
If you do some read on your own and some vibhaktis and all, then once some learning if takes place, then it's very difficult to unlearn it. The knowledge of the vibhakti, the karaka and karaka vibhakti is very important. We are going to see slowly other vibhaktis and what karaka is that.
Yes.
Okay, let me say karaka. What is karaka? Karaka means the factors of action associated with the factors of action. Karaka is factors of action. Now, what are the factors of action? Now, say here the example is cook. Who cooks?
Sister.
Sister is a karta, right?
Yes.
Karta is the doer. Let me do the English. Okay, doer. The doer is there. Now the cooking, the kriya has got the doer. Can it have the object of cooking? Vegetables.
Yes.
Right? So cooking kriya has got the doer sister, has got the object vegetables, has got the means of cooking. How the cooks? You can cook with wood also. You can cook with a cooker also. All these means are the means of cooking. Right?
Yes,
you can cook with a gas stove. So these are the means of cooking. And for whom she cooks, that also will get answer for that. Asking question, you get answer. For whom she cooks.
For family.
Then how does she cooks? Where does she cook? So asking question to the kriya, you get answers. And all these things, we will fix a vibhakti. That is why 7 vibhaktis plus 1 is there. Prathama vibhakti, Dvitiya vibhakti. Other vibhaktis we have not seen, the usages. We are going to see. Now, we are saying only Prathama vibhakti. Prathama vibhakti denotes the doer of the action, right? The karta.
Yes, Guruji.
So, pachati, when you say, kaha pachati or ka pachati, Agraja pachati. Agraja is like Rama Shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Pratama vibhakti, therefore Rama pachati. Only the karta. The sentence doesn't talk about the object of cooking or the means of cooking or for whom the sister cooks or where does she cook. All those things the sentence doesn't talk about now. We are going to see the similar sentences with all these possibilities. So, and these are called the factors of action. That is called karaka. All these factors are connected to the kriya of the sentence.
Yes.
Understand, all of you?
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
All these factors are going to be captured in the form of vibhakti. That is why we have got 7 vibhaktis. So, don't understand, don't have this wrong notion that vibhaktis are prepositions. In some books are given certain prepositions. If this is the preposition of the English, then this vibhakti. Not like that. It will be misleading. So, that's why I'm saying if you are reading on your own, please don't do that. If have the knowledge of karakam, it's important. This sentence is already you translated. Shrutiji, Mama Agraja.
Yes. Mama Agraja Pachati.
So this sentence doesn't have any karma or means of cooking. So simple sentence. The next one, Manjiriji. The sage meditates.
So meditate is dhyayati, the kriya padam, and kaha dhyayati, rishi dhyayati. Rishi
is
rishi dhyayati.
Rishihi dhyayati.
Yeah.
Rishi is pratipadika. Rishihi becomes a padam. Yeah. Only padam can be used in the language, not the pratipadika. Yes. Pratipadikam is unrefined, crude word. It has become a suitable word. It's called padam in Sanskritam, which can be used by adding the suffixes, pratyas. Yeah. So, Rishihi dhyayati. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, next person. Patmaji. Monkey jumps. What is the word for jump now? Please unmute your mic. If you can do, please do.
Jump, I know, davati.
Yes.
Davati. Now we asked the question, kaha davati.
Yes.
And so the answer is vanaraha davati.
Yes. Good. Next person, Manjulaji. Please unmute your mic when I call the name.
Yeah, Guruji.
Yes.
The soldier protects, rakshati. Sainikaha rakshati.
Yes. First, you can have the practice of asking question. Kaha rakshati, or ka rakshati, or kim rakshati, whatever may be. The sentence is soldier is pulling up, sainika, you know. Therefore, kaha rakshati, sainikaha rakshati. The practice will help you later. Bhuvaneshwaraji.
Yes, Guruji. Cow moves. Kaha moves called charity, Guruji.
Yes.
So kaha charati, the pashu, cow. I forgot the name for cow, Guruji.
How can you forget?
Suddenly, if you ask something, I am getting little tensed. If others are answering, I am answering from here. But if you ask me,
That's what I'm asking you. When I ask others, you answer. But when I ask you, why don't you answer?
Yeah, I get really tensed, Guruji. I don't know why.
Guruji, same thing happens to me also.
So you got you remember your schoolmaster in me, I think.
No, we are treating cow.
You know it very well.
Very well, I know.
Kamadhenu is there?
Kamadhenu.
Not Kamadhenu, just giving the word Kamadhenu.
Yeah.
Not Kamadhenu. Denu. Then how can you ask Kaha Charati? What gender is Denu?
Denu who?
Denuhu Charati. But cow is what gender?
Denuhu feminine, the Strilinga, na?
Therefore you cannot ask Kaha Charati.
So we cannot Kaha Charati. Ka Charati.
Ka Charati.
So Denuhu Charati.
Denuhu Charati. Denu Shabda, Visa, Pratama Vibhakti.
Yeah,
Remember?
yeah.
How do you decline Denu Shabda?
Denuhu.
Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavah.
Denuhu, Denu, Denavah.
Yes. Jyotiji is
Guruji,
like
can we-
Jyotiji is like a CSK. Chennai Super Kings. It's a
Guruji, can we use the word go instead of Dhenu?
why not?
Go also we can.
What
Go is
about
also-
Pashu, Guruji? Pashu?
Pashu is animal.
Animal.
So Guruji, it is go or go?
Gaugu. Go Shabda, Gaugu. It's good.
Gauhu.
But I've not yet taught those Shabda. Those are all Okaranta Shabda. They are not seen yet. First, let us have a simple Shabda by heart. That's why I go there. Deno is familiar, simple one. That is why I give Deno. Denuhu Charati. The next one.
Yes, Guruji.
Tanujaji. The king gives up. You can unmute your mic, Tanujaji.
The king gives up. Gives up is tyajati, kaha tyajati, nrupaha tyajati.
Very good. Nirpaha. Other word for king? Any other word for
Nrupati.
Nirpatihi. Nirpatihi.
Nrupatihi.
Okay.
Raja.
Very good. It's okay. Nirpatihi, Raja. All these are the words for the king.
Mahipati.
Mahipati also you can say.
Mahipati. Acha.
The next one. Priyaji. Your baby cries.
Yes, ji. Rodati.
Roditi. Not Rodati.
Roditi.
Okay. We have not seen that. I mean, I think we have seen. I introduced that word. Roditi. Yes. Roditi. It's a belongs to different Gana. So Roditi. The form is Roditi. You can remember. Or you can remember another word. Simple one. If Roditi is difficult, what is the other word?
Krandati.
Krandati.
Krandati. Good.
Krandati.
You can see the previous list of dhatus. There, Krandati, the word is there. Krandati. Right? Now, continue. Priyaji.
Yes.
Ask question. Who cries?
Kaha krandati. Baby cries. Baby is Sishu.
Why doubt in the doubt? Please say it confidently.
Yes, ji. And your is Tava.
Yes.
Tava, Sishu.
Shishu. What is Shishu? Shishu is not complete. Shishu is like what Shabda? Ukaranta Shabda. Guru
Deno?
Shabda. Why Deno? Deno is Trilinga. Shishu is Pullinga.
Ukaranta.
Bhanu. Bhanu.
Bhanu.
Sishuhu.
Yes, Bhanuhu. Guru Shabda. Remember, Shishuhu.
Sishuhu. Tava Sishuhu krandati.
Do you remember Guru Shabda?
Yes, ji. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Without seeing the book, can you chant the full Shabda?
Guruhu, Guru,
No, I'm
Guravaha.
just asking. Can you do it or not?
Oh, okay.
So, Guru Shabda. So, you need to know Guru Shabda. Right? All the Shabdas are important. So, Shishu, when you say Shishu, you have to connect with the Guru. First, gender you must know. Shishu is, baby is Pullinga. Therefore, Guru Shabda. So, Tava. Okay, now, between you and the baby and the cry, is there any connection or not? Is it connected to the Kriya directly? No.
No.
Between you and baby only. That is why it is called Sambandha. All the Shashti Vibhaktis, you said Tava. Tava is what Vibhakti? Shashti Vibhakti. Right? Suppose your baby cries is there. Suppose he replaced by the baby of Rama cries. How do you say it? Priyaji.
Yes, ji.
The baby of Rama cries. Priyaji will answer.
Ramaha Sishuhu krandati.
Rama is Pratama Vibhakti. Shishu also Pratama Vibhakti. Who cries?
Krandati.
Baby cries or Rama cries?
Baby cries.
Then how can you say
Rama's-
Ramaha?
Shashti. Okay.
Shashti.
Ramaha, when you say Ramaha Pratama Vibhakti and cries Krandati, so Krandati and Ramaha, they are connected now. Rama becomes a karta for crying. And Rama happens to be baby also. I'm not saying Rama, the baby cries. I'm saying the baby of Rama. I said just now, what Vibhakti is that?
Shashti.
Shashti of Rama is what?
Shashti of
Ramasya.
will be Ramayaha. Oh no, sorry.
Ramasya. So you need to work.
Ramasya.
Work on the Shabdas. All of you, I think, have to work on the Shabda.
Shashti Pratama is Ramasya.
Yes, it should come immediately, Ramasya. Important Shabda, right?
Yes.
So I think all of you have to work on the Shabdas. So Ramasya, Shishuhu, Krandati. Suppose if it is Rama, Priyaji, you tell me. I'm not going to leave you today, yes. If it is, okay, if it is Priya, then how do you say it? The baby of Priya Christ. Now I take your name, can tell. The baby of Priya Christ. How do you say it?
So that will again be Shashti, is it?
Yes.
And then Priyayaha.
Very good.
Sishuhu,
you know it now. You have to say
Krandati.
yes. Priyayaha Shishuhu Krandati. No, I'm just joking. I'm not. You are not the target for me anyway. Just joking. Okay. Next person. Manjari, you can do the next one.
Yes, Guruji. Arjuna sees. Sees is Pashyati.
Yes.
And Arjunaha. Pardon?
Yes, question.
Yeah. So Kaha Pashyati.
Yes.
Arjunaha Pashyati.
This should become your habit. Ask first to find out the Kriya Padam, ask question. Yes. If Karta is there, Kaha. Now we are saying only Karta. Karta will be in what Vibhakti?
Pratama Vibhakti.
Remember that. Karta will be in Pratama Vibhakti. That which is not a Karta, but connected to Karta, will be what Vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. Remember this. So Arjuna says. Now, suppose if I say, the friend, the Krishna's friend Arjuna sees. How do you say? Krishna's friend Arjuna.
So friend is a Mitra. So
Mitram. Napumsakalinga.
Mitram. So Krishna's friend. So Krishnasya Mitram Arjunaha Pashyati.
Very good. Yes. Krishnasya Mitram is Arjuna. Arjunaha Pashyati. Right?
Yeah.
What is the relationship between Pashyati, seeing, and Krishna?
His
No. My question is
no relation.
No relation. Yes.
No relation.
Between Krishna and Arjuna only there is connection.
Yeah.
Therefore, Krishna, and what connection? Friendship. Friend.
Friend.
So
Yeah.
Krishnasya Mitram. Mitram is Pratama Vibhakti. And who is that Mitram? Arjunaha. What does it do? Pashyati.
Yeah.
Right. Next person. Yeah. Ram Kumarji. A jnani crosses. So it is right word has come to you. Right sentence. Yes.
Jnani crosses.
Yes.
Jnani crosses. Cross. Guruji, what is the word for crosses? Not able to understand.
Tarati. Crosses is cross over the ocean of samsara, to swim over. That's meaning cross.
Yes, good.
Not the cross. Okay.
So what, Guruji? It's Tarati.
Huh?
Tarati. What is the word?
Tarati.
Tarati.
Tru dhatu. Okay. I think it is here in the list. The list. You can see here. Tru.
Tru dhatu. Okay. Yeah.
It is Tru dirgha. Tru dhatu. Crosses over.
Okay. Thank you.
Ramkumarji, you need to know all the Kriya Padams, all the verbs here.
Yes. Definitely, Guruji. I'm working on that. Definitely. Jnanihi tarati.
Jnanihi. Okay. Jnanihi, there is no word Jnanihi. The word is Jnani only. It's a different shabda. We will see that later. Okay. You can know that this much.
Jnani tarati
Or
Guruji.
instead of jnani, you can use some other word, a wise person.
Okay.
The word for wise person is, anybody?
Buddha.
Very good. Buddha. Buddha, the word Buddha comes from Buddha only. Buddha means knowledge. The one who has knowledge is called Buddha, Jnani. So, if you can use the word Buddha, Buddha tarati. Buddha is like Rama Shabda. Buddha, easy. If I say Jnani is, it is not Ikaranta Shabda. Okay. Actually, Shabda is Jnanin. We have not yet seen that, those Shabdas. So you don't have to use those words now. If you can, no, it's fine. Jnanin is a Shabda. Nakaranta Shabda. So when you decline Nakaranta Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti will be Jnani.
Jnani.
So Jnani is a, don't say Jnanihi. No, not like that. Jnani itself, it's Pratama Vibhakti. Because its Pratipadikam is Jnanin. Whereas Buddha is a Pratipadika. Buddha is Pratama Vibhakti. Buddha also can mean Mars. That is different Buddha. This is Buddha.
So
Mars is a Karaka, Jnana Karaka, right? That's why I call Buddha. In horoscope they say Jnana Karaka and all.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Kausalya ji.
The servant stands. Tishtati. Kaha tishtati.
Yes.
Sir, what is for servant, Guruji?
What is a servant? It is in the very word servant itself. One who serves is called servant. What is serving is called? Try to serving the society. What seva?
Sevakaha.
I myself said seva. The word seva I told, right? So sevakaha.
Sevakaha tishtati.
Sevakaha. Seva is service. Sevakaha, the doer of the service. Sevakaha tishtati, right?
Okay.
Next person. Rajeshwari ji.
The disciple asked, Kaha pruchati?
Okay, very good. Pruchati.
Shishyaha pruchati.
Shishyaha pruchati. Next person, Sundarji.
Can I skip because I'm not much familiar with these words.
Clear Padam. Okay. Lataji.
The farmer digs.
What is the word for dig? Khanati. The word for dig is Khanati. Khandatu. Khanati.
Guruji, Kanitram from this word only.
Yes. Kanitram from this word only. Yes.
Yeah, Guruji.
What does it mean, Kanitram? Kanitram means?
Digging machine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Krishakaha kanati.
Yes.
Aha kanati. Krishakaha kanati.
Yes. Next person, Rajaji. Veer Shivaji leads.
Guruji, I will try next class, Guruji. I'm still lagging.
Okay. Next class I'll ask you.
Sure, Guruji.
Shrutiji.
Yeah, yes, Guruji. Leads.
Leader. The one who leads. What is the word for that?
Nayati.
Mayati.
Ni dhatu.
Nayati. Nayati.
Yes.
Nayati, who leads? Kaha Nayati. Veera Shivaji leads. So it's Veera
Shivaji. You can say Veera Shivaji.
Veera Shivaji. Okay.
Because the name, it's a proper name, Shivaji. Yeah, you can say it like Guru Shabda also. Veera Shivaji Nayati. Right?
Veera Shivaji Nayati. Yes.
Okay, the next one. Again, Manjari name is there. Okay, Manjari, you can do the next one. He lives. Manjari, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Lives.
Many words are there for lives.
Yes.
I have to
Jivati.
think of one. Jivati. So
Vasati.
Vasati.
yeah.
Vasati, Jivati, all means to live. You can remember, it's simple words, simple Kriya Padam. You can remember this. Jivati, Vasati.
Jivati.
Okay.
Vasati. So, kaha vasati, saha vasati.
Saha Vasati. All these are simple translation. Okay. We have not, slowly you will see the translation will expand. So, if you don't do homework now, later stage you will find it difficult. And slowly you will be dropping out from the class. This is what generally happens. I have a lot of experience. That's what I'm saying.
Guruji, I have a doubt. In Priyaji's example, Ramkumar here, we took Shashti Vibhakti. Can we just, can you reiterate why we took the Shashti Vibhakti?
Where?
In that example.
Which example?
Priyaji's
Ramasya.
Ramasya.
Ramasya. Your baby is there. Cry is the Kriya, action. Between the action and the baby only there is connection. Baby only cries, not you cry. Your baby. So you and baby, there is a sambandha. So when there is a sambandha, then the you, for which the word for you is from, right? Yushmad. Shashti Vibhakti of that must be used. So instead of you, suppose if you say Rama's baby cry. Baby cries, baby only cries, not Rama. What is the connection between baby and the Rama? It is the baby of Rama, right? Baby of Rama. There is a relationship. There is a relationship between the Rama and the baby. So Rama will go in Shashti Vibhakti, Ramasya. It is like if I ask you what is your name, what do you say? Mama Nama. Mama is what? Shashti Vibhakti.
Oh.
Shashti is Sambandha, which talks about the connection with the Karta of the Kriya, right? That is what it is.
Okay, thank you, Guruji.
Okay, I was saying something important point. Please do homework. Otherwise, slowly, the things will build up and you'll find it a bit difficult. So I'm going at a slow pace, so you need to do work on this. I can still go at a slow pace. I don't have a problem. It's all purely yours. But you need to spend some time. 10 minutes is more than enough a day. 10 minutes.
Guruji, that chart which you gave is the most important thing, I think, for practice. That Sarvanam Shabda Vishesha, those Prathama Vibhakti, all those.
Yeah, you can practice them. Yes.
It's a beautiful chart, actually.
Yes.
Sharanji, I have a question. Is it the question answer time, Sharanji, or
you can ask, yeah, please ask.
Since this is my first class, I was listening to the tapes. Could you tell me how many tapes should I go? Am I have to listen to catch up with this? Do I have to listen to all the 62 tapes? I wasn't sure, so I thought I'll ask. Because it's going to, I'm able to do one at a time because I am.
It's okay. You are already you're already answering to this class. You can continue with this. You can, whenever you have time, you can go one class before that and just see if you are missing anything.
Okay, no, but what is the class up to? Because there are 62 classes, so have we
each class has a content. It's just mentioned in a simple sentence. You can just see the content. If it is known to you, then you can skip that.
I'll just, I like repetition. I forget things, so I need to work on it. Otherwise, retention is slowly decreasing, but that's okay. I'm not complaining, but so I will listen whenever I get. Okay,
you can attend the classes and you can listen to the previous recordings, go in the reverse direction one by one, and you see that whether you can follow.
Okay, I will do that. That's what I'm going to do.
So you don't have to wait for all the 60 classes to be complete and then join. Then it won't happen.
I know. That's what I asked you, but I'll slowly catch up. I know some. I have attended few classes, so but I'm not a math. I just forget things. This Shabda and all retention is. I'll continue doing it. Since you said only 10 minutes, that gives me a hope. Okay, Dhanyawad.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Yes, please ask. Somebody asked me some
Guruji,
question.
this Purnasya, that is also Shashti Vibhakti, no Guruji? This Purnasya,
Exactly.
Purnamadaya,
Yes,
Shashti
yes.
Vibhakti.
Shashti Bhakti only.
Correct. And out of these 4 or 5 books that has come from this Sanskrit University, which book for Kriya Padani that we can use, Guruji, in this?
We are going to see that. Don't worry about it now. We are going to do in the class. We'll do it
Okay,
later.
okay. Okay, Guruji. Okay,
This
Dhanyavad.
materials can I download somewhere?
Dhanyawada Guruji.
Dhanyawada. Yes, please.
Swamiji, I have a question. Swamiji, I have one question.
Materials, the documents.
The
Where
documents.
can I download or yeah? Where can I download?
Somebody can please send the OneDrive link where it has all the documents are there. And whatever documents I have uploaded, it is there. You can download from there. Please, someone can send the
Yes, Guruji, I'll send it.
Okay.
Google Drive link. This document also, what I share in the screen, I will upload it. I think it is maybe there. You can check that. If it's not there, you can let me know.
No, Guruji, this is not uploaded, I think.
Okay, I will upload it in that. Yeah.
The other links will be, if somebody can post it in the thing, we can get the link, right, Sharanji? If somebody can post it in our group, I mean, the other link.
Okay. Yeah, we can.
I'll do it right
One
now.
link. It's just one link.
OneDrive
It's only one link, that's
Yeah,
it.
OneDrive. Yeah, everything is given. If you open that, different sections are there in that.
So many documents are there, but you should know which document to open.
Yeah.
Okay, that you see. You see, I go to the beginners folder. Beginners folder, there you will find the documents.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Swamiji, I have a question.
Please ask.
Sorry, I have a question regarding the this. Like we say Brahma or Brahma, because if
Brahm-
there is a ha
Brahma.
between.
We talked about, I think, the beginning. It is Brahma. It can be, Hakara can be pronounced as Makara also. Therefore, Brahma is fine. Or this
Say
Brahma.
Brahma.
Yeah, let me say that Brahma, or you can say Brahma. Both are okay.
Okay. And one more thing, in the Vishnu Sahasra, there is a 26 slok. Sadhur Jannur Narayano Naraha.
Yeah,
So we say
Jannur.
Jannur.
Yeah, Jannur.
Jannur.
Jannur is there. Jannur Narayano, right?
Yes.
So
Jannur Narayana.
Jannur you can say. Like it is Jannur, something like this.
Yes. Jannur, yes. Jannur. The first one.
But
It's
Jannur
right.
is not like Vanni, Guruji, because Vanni also you said it's an exception. Vanni it is.
Not exception. Wherever it is there, it is Vanni also is same like Vanni or
Brahma.
Vanni.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dhanyawada Guruji.
Dhanyawada Guruji.
Guruji, Dhanyawada Guruji.
Dhanyawada.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶಂಜಿ.